this is Kiddiecrackup, and I don't know what that is over there. I think it's a train. I don't know. But this cutter, I'm going to put on the train track.
Go ahead.
Now. Right there. You see it? Okay. Back here.
That's a train.
That is?
I think that's a train.
That's a train! It's a train, guys. It's a train. Why is there not a train?
I don't know. And why is it heading north?
Let's go back. I'm going to step back a little.
Here, Bella, stay right there.
Just hold it.
Oh boy. Step back.
It's a train!
Yeah. We got a train coming. Excited? Here it comes.
That's a train!
Told you, dude. Or actually, I guess you told me. The train, and up goes the... Alright, so wrap this video up.
Wait.
Oh, we gotta check the quarter, that's right. Where'd the quarter go?
It's not on the track.
Right, the trains usually knock them off. Where did we put it on though?
Right here. It's in the box.
There's the... Sure? Let me see.
See the box?
So where's the quarter though?
It's somewhere in this area. It's definitely somewhere in this area.
Oh, we've gotta find the quarter. You sure that's where you put it?
Yes. Look at the mark. Well, it looks like another train.
No other train. But we gotta look for the quarter. Bummer.
Well, I found the quarter right here. I was like, yeah, I found the quarter.
Don't turn too much stuff upside down. You won't be able to see it. Ah.
We totally lost the quarter.
That's a bummer.
That train was shiny, huh?
That was ginormous. All right, well, why don't you wrap up the Kiddiecrackup video?
Bye, guys.
Okay, we can't find the quarter, sorry, but the train definitely ran it over. That's the mark from it, isn't it?
Yep, that's totally the... We see it?
Yeah. I just can't find the quarter anywhere. Wonder if it got stuck to the train.
Oh, that would be so cool.
All right, well, you want to say goodbye from Kiddiecrackup?
Bye.
That was cool, right?
Mm-hmm. You thought it was something else.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.